Hello everyone, and welcome to a quick and easy tutorial on how to do a voice effect similar to that of Alastor the Radio Demon. So first, this is the pre-recorded audio we have in Audacity here. Why, I haven't been that entertained since the stock market crash of 1929! As you can see, quite similar to one of Alastor's lines, so first we must go and select all, Control A, and you want to go Effects, and you will want to go to Equalization, and you will want to make sure that you have it set to AM radio, and you click OK. You will also want to then click Effect again, and you will want to go down and you will want to find High Pass Filter. You'll want to set it to around 700 and around 47 decibels. Then you click, oh, did I say 47? 48, I'm sorry. I am so sorry. Right. Now you're left with this, and then you go down and you click on Distortion. Go Manage. You want to roll over Factory Presets. You want to find Walkie Talkie. And then you want to turn this to about 8. And you click Apply. And you have a similar effect.
Why, I haven't been that entertained since the stock market crash of 1929!